How to move an inserted text box in GIMP. How do I move a selected text box, not a layer, in GIMP? I selected the box, but when I use the Move tool, it moves the image, layer, instead of the box. I tried following the documentation here, but when I hold down Ctrl-Alt and click, a forbidden sign appears.
Move tool. By default, the Move tool in GIMP moves the uppermost layer that has a non-transparent pixel at the click location. Text layers tend to have many transparent pixels, and thus it is easy to grab a layer behind them, that is, lower in the layer stack. The same would happen if you had a few thin lines on an otherwise transparent layer. What you can do: make sure that you click on a pixel of the text, or switch from the Pick a Layer mode to move the active layer mode. The latter is what holding the Shift key accomplishes. You can see this mode in the Move tool options. You can also change the default there, switch to move the active layer mode with the mouse and save the tool options. Then holding the Shift key will switch to Pick a Layer mode. Text tool. You can also move the text layer with the Text tool. Hold the Alt key and drag the layer with the Text tool. If your window manager or desktop environment uses Alt plus drag for its own purposes, you can use Ctrl plus Alt and drag. You might want to change this in your WM or D configuration, as Alt is a frequently used modified key in GIMP. Locking layer positions. While it does not help directly with moving a specific layer, it is now possible to lock the position and size of layers. The lock button for that is in the Layers dialog. This doesn't change how you move a layer, especially a text layer with lots of transparent area, but it makes it easier to prevent accidentally moving layers which should stay put.
Try again, while holding the Shift key. Both responses seem to ignore the part about not moving the layer. The requester asked to move a text box, not the whole layer. I'm guessing because he or she wants to move just the one text box, not every text box on that layer. I want to have many text boxes and I want to be able to move them independently. I am not clear of how I can do that. I just tried combining the answers from above. I created a text box on a layer. Then I held down Shift and clicked on a pixel that had text in it, and dragged it. This had the desired effect, it moved the text selection I clicked on and did not move the whole layer. Thanks for the help.
Hypnotic Puzzle2 subscribe.